How you fix gaming features aren't available for the Windows desktop or File Explorer. So if you want to fix gaming features aren't available for the Windows desktop or File Explorer, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to go with the left side and then search for Game Bar. Go with Game Bar settings and make sure this option is turned on. Once you turn this on, your problem might be fixed. The second step is you need to enable Game DVR. To do that, you need to go back to Gaming and then go with Captures. Under Captures, you will have an option of background recording. So scroll down, and if you find the background recording, you need to go and turn that on. Record in the background while I'm playing a game. So go and turn that on. Or if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply open up your browser. And from your browser, you need to go with search. Under search, you need to search for Windows Media Pack Page and go with the first option. Or you can also go with the link which is in the description below. So copy and paste the link right here and then hit the enter, which will take you to this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply select the language and then go with download and download the pack. After downloading, download the installer to install the media pack link download, and once it has been installed, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last solution is you need to open up your settings. From the settings, you need to go with the Windows update, and if you have any updates, then you just need to simply go with check for updates and check updates if you have any, and then update your laptop and your PC. After updating, it will fix your problem. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.